Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off on my iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to turn off on my iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. In settings, just tap on your Apple ID and here this will add find my section and you just have to turn it off from here. Or if you're facing the issue that your find my iPhone is not working or it has been disabled, so you just have to simply go back from here and try to enable your location services. So tap on privacy and security section, go to location services, enable your location services from here, and after that your find my iPhone will be easily disabled. But if you are facing the issue that your location services have been disabled itself, so it might be that your phone is restricted due to restrictions of your iPhone settings. So go back from here and here go to screen time section, scroll down and look for content and privacy restrictions. And in short, you can disable all the restrictions from here, or you can go to location services, tap on allow changes, and then just enable it from here. Or you can also go back and here go to location services again in privacy and security section, tap on location services, enable it from here, then go back and here tap on your Apple ID, then tap on find my, and then tap on it again, and you can easily disable this from here. If you're facing the issue that you found my iPhone had been disabled or had been deleted out itself, so it might be that your stolen device protection is enabled. So now to fix this, you have to simply go back from here and go to Face ID and passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode here. Just scroll down and look for stolen device protection. Try to disable this from here by verifying your Face ID. So in case of disabling your stolen device protection, you might face this start security delay. So you have to try to start your security delay. After starting, it will set a timer of almost 1 hour. After 1 hour, you'll be able to disable your stolen device protection. And after disabling stolen device protection, you'll be able to turn off your phone, my iPhone. But you have to wait to restart your phone and until your security delay is enabled or it's in running. So you just have to try to wait for until your security delay has been ended, and then you can easily disable your stolen device protection. And after that, you can easily disable your phone, my iPhone, without an issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.